It's like, oh my God, don't antagonize me. Don't antagonize me. Don't antagonize me. You sleeping? You sleeping? You sleeping? You must have paid the rent. You paid the rent. What you doing? You sleeping? Sleepy. Sleepy. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, what? Oi, oi, oi. I got the two faces. Oi, oi, oi. Sometimes I just like to get down to earth. I've got two cats. Each cat has two eyes. So there's four eyes, two cats, eight legs, two tails. How many stories? Not too much to say. Not too much to say sometimes. Went for my knee today at the hospital. Right there. Did the knee, did the heart, did the knee and the heart. So what happened is from painting this floor, I got a baker's kiss, ripped a tendon behind it, and I don't know, could have been the guitar. I don't play. My son fools around with it. Could have been the guitar. I think my son wants to be like, hey, buddy. I want to be like Johnny Cash. I think I want to be like Johnny Cash. I can be like Bruce Springsteen. Doesn't this look like a whale? The big head and the eye over here, and his tail is down over here. The whale, why would they make the whale going around the circle? But all the strings are straight. We need all those straight strings in order to zing one to get a vibration. That vibration will rise and will rise, and it can rise. Does it rise higher up? Less? Then it goes this way and this way. Is that what forms the dome over the flat of the guitar? The round hole giving equality to all the strings, the same distance? I don't know. How about you, Mr. Cat? Can you count to 9? Can you count to 9? 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. So what do you think? Is that right? Well, tell me. I don't know. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And the next number is 3 plus 4 equals 7. And 7, and the next number is 5 equals 12. The next number is 6 equals 18. So I just added up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 18. Now, if you add up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's actually going to be 21. So let's try it again. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Oh my God, I worked so hard today. God, whew, shake it off. Shake it off, eh? Just shake it off. 7 plus 8. Well, let's just do this on paper. Since I started this out, I'm going to go deeper into the video. It was going to be a 1-minute video. I got my new webcam there. I'm having a little bit of a problem with it. So we're going to just zoom this up over here. 1 plus 2 equals 3 plus 4 equals 7 plus 5 equals 12 plus 6 equals 18 plus 7 equals to 25 plus 8 equals to 33 plus 9 equals to 42. Now 1 and 10 is starting over. So in the 10 Commandments, I think we have to go to number 10. 5 and 5. In the 10 Commandments, there's 5 and 5, right? The third one on each commandment is 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. So this one in the center, the third one, okay, is the primary one for each side of 5 and 5, because that's the way numbers would work on the 10 Commandments. Do you follow what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the middle. So here's my bar. Now, if we're creating the Z, right, which way would that bar go? Anyways, we're going to get off of that. Now, when we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 10. How come here it only equaled to 7? 1 plus 2 equals to 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, plus 3 equals to 6, plus 4 equals to 10. Because I didn't add the 3. I just said 1 and 2 equals 3. Plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So when we get to 9, okay, we add all the way to 9, okay, plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Here, we're going to get a total of 45. But since we had 10 and 5 is 15, 21, and 7 is 28, 36, 45. Here we got 42. Here is cat. Here is son. The slang 9 to 5 is also a relationship of 9 to 6. But 9 times 6 is 54, and 9 times 5 is 45. It's the other side. It's the separation between the two. This one is the half-life, 1 and 6. This one here is 2 and 5 at the gateway, where 1 resides in 4, in which 4 is made up of 2 and 2. And this is where your phi comes in. The ever-changing 1 from red to black, from AC to DC and DC to AC, from the negative and the positive. Number 1 is always interswitching. How do I know that? The roulette table told me. The colors change. The only color to change, 10 is black. Okay, 10 is black and 28 is black. 10 and 28, black. 10 and 28, black. 1 and 19, red. This equals to 20 and 18. This equals to 38 and 28. Okay? 18, 28, 38. 20 is location. We're going to get to that in another video. I've done it before. So this is just a weird way of looking at it. We have 1 in 6. We have 1, 2, 6. 1 in 6. Sorry, we have 1 in 6. The reason we have 1 in 6 is because, see, that's your crossing bar, and see the way the 1 is in the center there and there, so it must be the 1. 1 is there, and oh, it's in the center there too. 1 and 1 is in the center there too. In fact, 1 is only opposite of 6. So that makes it complete. 6 and 1, 7, and since it doesn't duplicate, it's a complete 7. So either you have a 6, right? But 6 is nowhere without 1. And because you have 1, you have more than 1. Position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these are explanatory. To have a limit and to now be limited because of overexertion on the limits. So anyways, we had 2018, which tells me, because of this number over here telling me the church and the moon, and in 2018, this is the year of 5778. Okay, that is your gateway moon. 2019, this is also your sky system. So there's 3 years. There was 3 years before Jesus, there's 3 years after. And the year marking ends, if I remember correctly, 1, 2, 3 times 47. Do you see the numbers that I just did over here? 1, 2, 3, and 47. 1, 2, 3 times 47. Do we have a calculator here? I did. I do. Hold on a second. Hebrew New Year's. $57.81. 1, 2, 3 ABC times 47 equals to 57.81. 3 times 19, 3 times 27. 54 is the sun. 38 is that church. CH, creation, heaven, 1 and 2 inside 8, 44. See that? All the 4 corners over here. So, yeah, we did a lot of stuff. We haven't resonated with sports time yet. I had to go to the dollar store. I didn't go. So what is all these? Because you see where the 2 is hosting, reflection. They host. Here it is number 27. Here it is number 54. 2754. Here, it's number 34. Number 34. And here, it's number 43. 3443. The DC and the Christ. Why? Because the reflection. No, because, excuse me, I made a mistake. Sorry, made a mistake. Over here is all going to say 5. The reflection of each side is now going to say 55, 55. Only this side, okay, will say 7 and 7, 77. Christ, 77. 49, I wrote it down in my last video. I'm going to put it into this video too. 7 by 7, 49. 7 plus 7, 14, and 49. Seven times 7, 49. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 49 equals 63. 49 minus 14 equals 35. Electric company. The A world is now inside the E world. The A exists in the E world and inside the half-life of Heinz 1 and 6, the moon. So we have that 11. I just wrote a little bit too much for nothing. This was supposed to be just equals 14 plus and minus 14. This is energy creation. The reverse of this to my 1, 1 to make this 10, 10 is 57, the moon. The 35 to make it plus 1 minus 1, or plus 1 and 8 equaling to 44. 8 and 5, 13. 1 and 3 is 4. Or we want to bring it to number 7, we get number 42. So we're getting communication around 1 because this one is 1 and 8. See, there's 8 voided spaces. That's 1 and 8. And it's a reflection of the half-life, 57, which passes through the moon. Dice telling me the story. 11 is also 6 and 5. Is in reverse, which is 21, right? Here's your 6, reverse 1. Here's your 5, reverse 2. 5, 2, 5, 2. And in between is every other number. So this is 6 and 5 equals to 11. But 11, as 1 dice and 1 dice, okay, it says 11. What is the difference between a teen and 11, 12, and then it's a 13? What is that difference? What is it telling me? What is the story? We have to throw things together. So anyways, the opposite of 65 is your 21. Your number 11, your number 7 equals to your 65. And the multiplication of this will tell you about this, giving you your DNA or your 19 spirit. 13 by 7. 13 by 7. 13 by 7 equals 91. 13 cards in the deck. Add up 1 to 13 equals to 91. Your average gateway is 7. 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. No 3, 6, 9. This number over here multiplied ends up to be 6 and 2, and that is your God Queen. So we now have 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 plus 2 equals 8 equals to your 20. Location in the house of Bait. This will equal 3. 3 and 8 equals to 24, and 11 equals to 35. Electric company passage through the moon, and minus 11 equals to number 13. AC energy in the EC world. In craps through the 7th gate, they exchange these two. It becomes 8 and 4, which becomes Pluto, Sun. And now you can continue on doing the mathematics, learning and seeing different stories of, not learning, but anyways, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.